Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Trello for tracking rehab projects and timelines. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Trello account. If you don't have one, go ahead and create a new account. Once you are logged in, click on the Create New Board button. Name your board something relevant like Rehab Projects Tracker. Select a background color or image to make it visually appealing. Now, it's time to create your lists. Start with a list titled Backlog for all projects that are yet to commence. Next, create a list titled In Progress for ongoing projects. Then add a list called Completed for finished projects. You may also want to create lists for different stages like planning, execution, and review. Now, let's add cards to your lists. Click on Add a card under the backlog list to create a new project card. Name your card with the project's title, for example, Kitchen Renovation. Once you've added the card, click on it to open the detail. Here, you can add a description, checklist, and due dates. Utilize the checklist feature to outline specific tasks for the project. Assign due dates to keep track of important milestones. You can also label cards with colors for different project categories or priorities. Next, invite team members to collaborate on your board. Click on Invite and enter their email addresses. Now, let's set up automation for your workflow. Navigate to Automation in the menu and select Rules. Create rules that move cards between lists when specific actions occur. For example, set a rule to move a card from backlog to in progress when it's marked as started. To manage timelines effectively, use the Calendar power-up. Enable the Calendar feature from the Power UPS menu. This will allow you to visualize deadlines for all projects in a calendar format. Periodically review your board and update the card statuses. This ensures that the board remains up to date and reflects current project progress. Encourage your team to leave comments and attach files to cards for better communication. Regularly check the completed list to celebrate achievements. Finally, customize your board over time based on feedback and project needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.